Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view ticket history here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing the history of a ticket or issue in Jira can be a valuable for tracking changes, understanding the progress, and of course maintaining accountability. Because Jira provides a straightforward way to see the history of any ticket, including changes to its status, assignees, field values, and comments. Now, here's how you can view the history of ticket in Jira. Number one is, now, since we are already here in a specific ticket or issue, you see, there's going to be an option here. It's very obvious. There's a history. Okay, so if you have like maybe a comment here, for example, there's a comment, save that. You would see the history in 2 seconds. Click that, and these are going to be the history. Someone have commented. You can of course check that, and there's like a clock icon or a watch icon that says history issue or issue history. It's a very straightforward process, really. Now another way for us to be able to view any ticket history is going to the apps. Now you see, I have an app called Issue History. All right, this app came from the Jira marketplace, and if you haven't already, you might want to install that, and it would load your history log. All right, so you see there's an option here where you can of course put in some details if you wanted to analyze some details. The apps can be downloaded here from manager apps or in this section where it says explore more apps, and just type in and search for the issue history. It's a handy feature. Okay, issue history. There you go. Okay, now this issue history is a simple yet powerful feature that helps teams track changes, maintain accountability, and of course understand the evolution of an issue over time. By regularly reviewing the history, teams can ensure that they are following the correct workflows, adhering to project guidelines, and quickly identifying any deviations from expected processes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.